Hello everybody, this is Daniel Ackerman with the Queens Home Team, and we are in front of 2147 33rd Street. This is the Acropolis, one of the largest co-op complexes in Astoria, where we have for sale apartment 1G. It's a one-bedroom apartment, great location. Let's take a look inside. So the Acropolis is actually a complex of several buildings taking up an entire city block, and each of the buildings has these nice courtyards. So you got some nice sort of garden space, lots of birds, as you can probably hear in the background. Spring has sprung, so it's really nice. The apartment is on the ground floor. And as I mentioned, it's a one bedroom, really straightforward. We're going to take a look right now. Here we go. Here. Come on in. So as you can see, we have a little sunken floor here to the living room, which is kind of nice. A lot of people like that. It's a one bedroom apartment, as I mentioned. The living room is a nice size. You've got probably about 10 feet by 12 feet approximately. You have a nice big wall here and here, so it's flexible for setting up your decor. You can put a TV or your entertainment center on one side with the couch on the other side. So that's great because sometimes you don't have nice continuous walls like that. Window facing right out into the courtyard. All right, and then as we circle this way, you've got your kitchen here. It's a nice spacious kitchen, which is great. If you like to cook, and you know how sometimes in Astoria these kitchens can be very small, this is a nice spacious kitchen. My span is about 6 feet, so this is nice 7 feet between each counter, probably 10 feet or 11 feet wide. You've got nice cabinets here, gas stove, and I always like when a kitchen is windowed to the outside as well. You get a little ventilation, a little light, a little fresh air. So nice tiled kitchen. Let's see the rest. As you move down this way, you've got the bathroom on this side and the bedroom on this side. Let's check the bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. Again, with a window to the courtyard. Plenty of space for a queen, possibly even a king size bed. You got the closet right here. And space for a desk. And then we've got the bathroom here, which I'll let you take a look at. Nice tiled bathroom. Guys, that's about it. Thanks for checking out the tour. This is 2147 33rd Street, apartment 1G in the Acropolis. My name is Daniel Ackerman with the Queens Home Team. You can reach me. There's contact information on your screen or in the description below. Let us know if you're interested in the apartment.